Arya, good afternoon. Very good afternoon to all the Olympiad champs. So all of you are preparing to be the NSO toppers this year 2022. Yes. So VOS is known for producing the toppers in NSEJS, RMO, pre-RMO, everywhere, and in NSO also. Last year, most of our students were in top 10 ranks, top 30 ranks, and we had many international ranks, one in IMO and national ranks, one in NSO. So, all of you, a warm welcome to you this good afternoon. So, all ready for the quiz? Come on, get ready, hurry up. Yes, and this session is especially very useful for the students of grade 8. See, children, no matter you may be studying something higher, but to achieve any target in that particular exam, to hit that exam, you have to prepare particularly the syllabus of that exam. So we are proceeding with the questions which have been asked in previous year, and let us check like how well prepared you are. So Reenu Garg, Vedantu master teacher with 30 years of experience of teaching into Olympiads, welcomes you all. So here the question number one is chemicals that are used for the protection of crops are. How many of these are used as herbicides? Come on. Delafon, second is butachlor, malathion, simazine, dicystone, and gamexine. This is a question of year 2019. You are asked how many of these are used as herbicides. I'll show you the next slide. It is like this. How many of these are used as herbicides? Come on. Again, I'm going back. You can note down Delapon, butachlor, malathion, simazine, dicystone, gamexine. Some are pesticides, some may be fungicides, yeah, some are insecticides. I am asking you herbicides. No, children, there is some problem with the Menti, so you can consider this only. I look at your answers and also you count, you make your own scores. Our main agenda is to just find out, to go through the questions. Yes. So now your answer is how many of these are used as herbicides? Come on, quick. Three of them are herbicides, four, two, or five. Yes. Waiting for the answer. Come on, quickly, quickly answer. Yes. Okay, Asmita, yes, you have not done crop production, but still you can attend it because there is a chapter of environment with you. So, yeah, some questions can be. Answer is three. Yes. Now, see, look at it. You can note it down also. This is very important to note down. Yes. Delapon, it is used as an herbicide and acts on a perennial grass. It controls a specific weed species and leaving the desired crops relatively unharmed. So Delapon is one of the herbicide. Butachlor is used as a herbicide mainly used in the form of granules in rice. Malathion, it is used as an insecticide. It is basically used in mosquito eradication. I'm telling you about all, what all are there. Malathion is used as insecticide, used in, yeah, these we spray in our kitchen garden. Sixth class will not be knowing it. It is there in class 8, but some like chapter of environment or there are plants. You may get it, so it is better that you are aware of it. These are the common things. Delapon is a herbicide, butachlor herbicide, malathion insecticide, simazine is again herbicide used to control broadleaf weeds and annual grasses. Dies as we spray this, the herbs die out and the crop is saved. Dicystone is an insecticide. It is effective against the sucking insects, for example, beet flies. Gemexine, it is used in homes for ants. It is an insecticide, also agriculture insecticide and pharmaceutical purposes. So these are the six. Yes. SAT doesn't matter if you don't know, you can just see to them. I'm telling that crop production microorganisms is in class 8. But 6, 7, 8, they have the related things. So when you do anything of class 8, otherwise also you're doing the syllabus of class 8 and 9. Yes. So in a way, it's the information given to you. You can learn it from here. Now question is, take a beaker and fill half of it with water. Put some wheat seeds in it, stir it and wait for some time. Which of the following holds true regarding the observation and inference of this experiment? Now see, what is the experiment? Healthy seeds being lighter. See, the question is, which of this holds true? The observation. Which of these observations is true? Healthy seeds being lighter float on the water surface, right? Damaged seeds being lighter float on the surface of water. Some healthy seeds and some damaged seeds float on the surface of water. Damaged seeds being heavier settle down at the bottom. This is a common sense question. Healthy seeds will float, damaged seeds will float. Healthy seeds and damaged seeds both float. Damaged seeds are heavier, therefore they settle down at the bottom. Yes, Animesh Agrahari, NSE, everyone has done it right. Yes, it is. And Tapasya, it's better to write 2C like Tapasya has written, like your answer of second question is C. But it is not C, sorry, it's B. Second answer is B. So one of the child was writing C. So Nivedita Aswal. So these are the new children. Children, if you want, how many of you want to prepare for Olympiads? You want to be in top 10 of Olympiads or top 5 of NSO, IMO, NSTSC, UIMO of your school. You want to be the topper of all the sections. Yes. So you can come to Reenu ma'am for that. Right. So healthy seeds being heavier sink in the bottom, while damaged seeds are hollow, eaten up by pests, become lighter, thus they float on the surface of the water. Damaged seed will always float on the surface of water. Right. So next question. Any child who is new and wants to contact me for any of the Olympiads or being the school topper, your concept clarity above all of your school students, then please contact me on this. Okay. And as it is, if you go to Vedantu side, we are having the Olympiad crash course. Read the given paragraph where few words have been italicized. Preparation of soil in a field. You have to first of all see what you have to do. Select the incorrect option regarding these. Right. Which is incorrect out of these italicized words? Preparation of soil in field before sowing of seeds involved 2 steps. Preparation of soil before sowing. What it should be? Broadcasting or leveling? So broadcasting and leveling. Broadcasting, let me tell you, it is sprinkling of the seeds. So you are preparing the soil. So in that, are you broadcasting the seeds? Soil in the crop. Soil in the crop field is enriched with nutrients by adding manures and fertilizers to it. Asmita, you can fill NSTSC, Unified Council. Soil in the crop field is enriched with nutrients by adding manures and fertilizers to it. Crop fields need to be irrigated from time to time. In sprinkler system of irrigation, water is allowed to fall drop by drop from a pipe just near the plant roots, wherein in drip water escapes from a revolving nozzle. So what is wrong with these italicized words? Weeding in, see, all of you, common sense. If you are giving the water drop by drop, will it be called sprinkler? If it is coming out from a nozzle, is it drip irrigation or sprinkler irrigation? Weeding in crop fields can be done using combine. Combine is a machine used for what? After the crop is harvested, the grain is separated from cut crop using a machine called a thresher. So grain is separated from cut crop using a thresher. Select the incorrect option regarding these. Broadcasting should be replaced by tilling. When you're preparing the soil, broadcasting should be replaced by tilling. Is it this correct? Positions of sprinkler and drip should be interchanged. Thresher should not be replaced as it is correctly mentioned. Combine should be replaced by harvester. Combine. Weeding in crop fields can be done using combine. Yes. So which one is correct? Yes. Come on. Third answer is Ayush Ambasta. You are a new child. Welcome, child. Welcome. Yes. So, children, how can you go to the Olympiad crash course for all the Olympiads? It is go to Vedantu.com. Yes, while you are answering this, let me tell you. Then you will click on courses. Then you will click on Olympiads. And from Olympiads, you can go to IMO or NSO. Right. Next. So combine should be replaced by harvester. No, combine is a key invention that saves cost and time of farmers. It can be used in weeding in crop fields. Therefore, combine should not be replaced as it is correctly mentioned. Now, what is the correct answer? Position of sprinkler and drip irrigation should be interchanged. Sprinkler and drip irrigation should be interchanged. So it was asked that, what was the question? Come on, I'm going back. You had to select the incorrect option. So incorrect was the fourth one. This position of sprinkler and drip should also be interchanged. Yes, you are right, children. Second should also be interchanged. The given box shows some Rabi and Kharif crops. Identify these crops and select the option that correctly categorizes them. Rabi and Kharif. This is again, it is in grade 5 also and grade 8 also. Sugarcane, cotton, mustard, maize, sorghum, linseed, barley, groundnut, wheat, chickpea, soya bean. Yes. Come on. Tell me fourth. Come on. This question. Rabi, wheat, barley, Rabi crop is wheat, barley, linseed, cotton, maize. Kharif, sugarcane, mustard, groundnut, soybean, chickpea, sorghum. Which is correct? Come on. Yes. Rabi crops are mustard, linseed, barley. Children, please remember, I am telling you that you should very much clearly do this Rabi and Kharif crops. Every time the question is asked from this in grade 8 and 5. Right? Come on. Yes. Next we come to, yes. Exactly. Some part is wrong in A. That is why it is B answered. Kharif crops are the crops which are sown at the beginning of the rainy season between April and May. Rabi are sown at the... Yes. Come on. Next question. Refer to the given graph representing two crop fields X and Y that have been treated by different types of materials for nutrient replenishment, keeping other environmental factors. Select the incorrect statements regarding these crops field X and Y. This is the percentage of the crop yield and this is the time. Now, with time, the percentage of Y increased and then decreased, and percentage of crop X increased and then became stable. Y increased and then decreased and X increased. Statements regarding these crops. Come on, read the options and tell me. Yes, come on. Yes, yes, quickly answer. Yeah, I lost your connection, children. Just a minute. Yes, yes, come on. I'm waiting for your answer, children. Right. Not getting your chart. Just a second, just a second. Yes. Yeah, got it, got it, got it. Yes. All of you. Very nice, very nice. So you all are little champs. Ronak. has given me the answer. Come on. Materials used for crop field X are nutrient specific, while those used for Y are not nutrient specific. C. Materials used for treating, what happens is, look here, this was the question. If I go back 1 second, this was the chart. With time, crop Y declined, crop X improved. So materials used for which, now see, Y declined and X improved. Yes, this was there. Y declined and X improved. So materials used for treating crop field X could be organic substances, while those for Y is inorganic. Not true, because Y में fertilizers हैं, तो उससे भी yield should increase. Materials used for X are nutrient specific, while those of Y are not nutrient. Gradual decline in Y is due to killing of useful soil microbes. Persistent yield of crop X is due to replenishment nutrients by gradual decomposition of organic matter. This makes no sense. Yes. So Ronak, you told correct. Yes, it is used for crop X. Now Tapasya has got some doubt. Select the incorrect statements regarding these fields, crops X and Y. See here, 1 minute children. Materials used for crop X are न्यूट्रिएंट स्पेसिफिक, while those Y, अगर Y का न्यूट्रिएंट स्पेसिफिक नहीं भी है तो भी Y की, अगर हमने न्यूट्रिएंट्स डाले, even if they are not specific, it should not decline. What happened is, materials used for treating crop file X should be organic, while those Y should be inorganic substances. Now look at this. In crop field X, organic materials like manure must have been added, which not easily absorbed by the plants and take time to attain maximum yield, while in crop C, slow growth है, एकदम नहीं है. इसमें inorganic डाला, एकदम growth हुआ. इसमें slow डाला तो धीरे धीरे growth हुआ. While in crop field Y, nutrient specific materials like chemical fertilizer are used, which attain maximum yield in short time but soon decline because of the killing of the soil microbes. So therefore B is incorrect, because X में एकदम से increase आया Y में because of the because of, yeah, Y में एकदम से increase आया because they were inorganic fertilizers, but then they deplete the soil, they've spoiled the microbes and its growth went down. जैसे यूरिया का, फर्टिलाइजर्स का, पोटैश का असर खत्म हुआ तो ग्रोथ डिक्लाइन होनी शुरू हो गई. बट इन एक्स देयर वाज अ स्लो ग्रोथ. व्हेनेवर वी डू की ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग है, ऑर्गेनिक मैन्योर डाला है, so it will be slow growth but it will be steady. Yes, Tapasya, you were right. Next comes, next third point is gradual decline in yield of crop Y is due to killing of useful microbes. Yes, because जब हमने उसमें inorganic डाला तो microbes got killed. Persistent yield of crop X is due to replenishment of nutrients by gradual decomposition, क्योंकि उसमें organic matter डाला है, so gradual decomposition is taking place, right? So I put a cross on D कि ये तो 100% correct होगा, but B में the thing is it looks to be correct, but उसने बाद में soil के microbes को kill किया, that's why the growth went down. Which of the following statements are correct? Water logging increases the amount of salt in the soil that reduces soil fertility. You have to tell the correct. Always read what is asked. Yes, water logging increases the amount of salt in the soil that reduces soil fertility. 2,4-D, MCP and butachlor are common weedicides. Maybe class 6 children are not knowing about this, which are weedicides. Leguminous crops like P and B cannot be grouped in combination with cereals like wheat and rice under mixed cropping, as both use large amount of nitrogen from the soil. Manures provide specific nutrients to the soil. This is a good question for class 10th also. Same chapter you have in class 10th, then same you have in class 12th also. Manures provide specific nutrient to the soil. This is absolutely wrong. Which is specific nutrient? These are inorganic fertilizers. Paddy, maize, cotton, groundnut are example of kharif crops. while wheat, gram, pea and mustard are example of rabi crops. सबसे पहले तो रबी और खरीफ crops याद होने चाहिए. So this is a question of year 2015. Which ones are correct? You have to find out. Which all are correct? Water logging increases the amount of salt in the soil. That reduces soil fertility. 2,4-D, MCP and butachlor are common weedicides. Leguminous plants cannot be grouped in combination with wheat and rice under mixed cropping as both use nitrogen from the soil. Paddy, maize, cotton and groundnut, as they both use large amount of nitrogen from the soil. ध्यान करो, leguminous plants, they replenish the soil or they use large amount of nitrogen from the soil. So now you must have noted which all are correct. So tell me which all are correct. Tapasya has answered. Ayush is saying which all are correct. Yes. First, second and fifth, Tapasya says. Anis says first, second and fifth. And yes, it is correct. Let us discuss it. First, second and fifth. Leguminous crops like peas and beans cannot be grouped with wheat and rice under mixed cropping. Legumes help in nitrogen fixation, increase the soil fertility as well as the crop yield. Whereas there it is written, they use large amount of nitrogen. Where here they are fixing nitrogen. Manures are not nutrient specific. Manures are, उसमें लिखा nutrient specific है, they are not. It is inorganic which are nutrient specific. So they are easily soluble in water and are easily absorbed by the plant root. Hence, their maximum yield gets slightly delayed as compared to the fertilizers. Therefore, third and fourth are incorrect. So third and fourth are incorrect. Let me show you the third. Third is leguminous plants and fourth is manures. There is where I pointed out. Yes. Yes, legumes have rhizobium bacteria. Children, those who are in class 7 and 8, they go to my VOS Reenu biology series. Yes, there you will find nitrogen cycle. All cycles I have discussed. Very good. Nitrogen cycle is described over there. All of you must see this is a very important cycle. In some way or the other, it is asked in every class. Now comes to next. Come on. We'll do 10 questions today. 8, 9, 10, 3 are left. Refer to the dichotomous key. Identify P to T and select the correct statement regarding them. Now you can see, children, how much confusing the questions in NSO are. Yes. So to fetch full marks is very difficult. एक बार को maths में आ जाते हैं, science में नहीं आते. Because the options are very confusing. So P to T are, it is a unicellular organism. P to T dichotomous key. Go to second. It possesses well-organized nucleus or it lacks well-organized. See, it's a unicellular organism. It lacks well-organized nucleus. So P can be what? Unicellular having no nucleus. Shall I show you the options? Select P. It should be what? It could be a slipper animalcule. And you have to select the correct statement. It is a multicellular organism. Go to second. It possesses well-organized nucleus. Go to third. Nutrition is parasitic. Means unicellular, but well-organized nucleus. And then after this, go to third. Nutrition is parasitic and nutrition is mixotropic. In A, unicellular hai, but well-organized nucleus, nutrition is parasitic. So Q could be plasmodium, which causes malaria, or it could be entamoeba, which causes dysentery. And R could be euglena, which possesses cilia. Does R possess euglena, possess cilia? Now, it is again grade 7 question. 5 to 7, 5, 6, 7, any class it can come in. Next is, it is a multicellular organism. Go to fourth. It possesses chlorophyll. Multicellular organism possesses chlorophyll is S and lacks chlorophyll is T. So S could be an alga like Chlamydomonas, whereas T could be a scavenger like vulture or decomposer like giardia. So you have to tell which all are correct, which is correct out of these. Yes, Nagin, Agrahari, come on. Which is correct? Q could be plasmodium, which causes malaria, or it could be entamoeba. This is only correct. Unicellular with proper nucleus. It is unicellular, well-defined nucleus, and unicellular, well-defined nucleus causes amoebic dysentery. Q could be plasmodium or entamoeba. Right. Next, refer to the given figures of bacteria P, Q, R, and S. Children, another important thing is shapes of bacteria, name of bacteria. Microorganisms with shapes and name of bacteria. Yes, Krishna Gopalan. PQRS, bacterium P can be causal organism, coccus of tuberculosis. So is tuberculosis bacteria coccus? Bacterium Q can cause pneumonia. S can convert lactose into lactic acid, not lactic acid, it's lactic acid. Yes, is it lactobacillus? Bacterium R can be causal organism of syphilis. This is spiral one. Hello, Abhinav. Yes. So, which all are correct? Come on. Does it cause tuberculosis? Does it cause pneumonia? Does it cause syphilis? Does it convert milk into curd? First, you note down which all are correct and then you choose your answer. Note down which all are correct. Come on. Yes. Come on, come on. Very quick. Krishna Gopala says B and you are correct. Third and fourth are correct. If we go back, third and fourth are correct. Bacterium. You had to tell regarding them, refer to the given figures, which of these statements are correct. Yes. Lactobacillus S can convert lactose sugar into lactic acid, that is lactobacillus. Yes. R can cause causal organism of syphilis. Right. Next question is, this is rod-shaped bacteria. This we have already done. And Treponema palladium is a corkscrew-shaped spirochete bacteria which causes syphilis. So this is correct. Now, refer to the figures and select the incorrect statement regarding them. Again, coccus, vibrio, spirillum, and bacillus. So what is incorrect regarding them? Note down note down these shapes. Note down these shapes, then only you will be able to answer. This is the last question, children. Yes. Then I take only half an hour and I make you revise. L could be pseudomonas that helps in biodegradation of organic pollutants. M could be Vibrio cholera that causes cholera in human beings. N could be Treponema palladium that causes syphilis. And O could be lactobacillus that helps in curdling of milk. You had to tell which is incorrect. O could be lactobacillus, ye to correct hai. Nothing wrong in this. N could be Treponema palladium that causes syphilis. This also we did just now. M could be Vibrio cholera causes cholera. L could be Pseudomonas that helps in biodegradation of organic pollutants. Yes. This is wrong actually. It's Pseudomonas a gram-negative rod-shaped bacteria. So it is a rod-shaped bacteria. It is not coccus bacteria. Last question, one more has come. Identify the given organisms and select the incorrect option of 2017. These are which organisms? Let me help you. This is Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas. This R is what? Come on, you'll guess it just now. S. I've given you a hint of one now. P could be, look here, P is first. You have to tell first of all, look in the question, it's incorrect or correct. P could be eukaryotic organism that causes abdominal discomfort in human. Q could be a prokaryotic organism that helps in breakdown of dead bodies of plants and animals. Sorry. Organism R could be used as antibiotics. S could be an organism causes sleeping sickness in humans. Incorrect. So let us see if they've asked too many options or from one. It is incorrect. Q could be prokaryotic. Why? Q is Chlamydomonas, which is genus of green algae consisting of 150 species of all unicellular flagellates found in stagnant water and on damp soil in fresh water, sea water, and even in snow as snow algae. Right? Q is a Chlamydomonas. So it is not a prokaryotic organism that is responsible for the decay of plants and animals. It's a part of a kind of a algae. So that is why this is wrong. Refer to the given figures PQRS. This figure is of, you can recognize amoeba, paramecium, euglena. So 2017, Q and R show holozoic heterotrophic nutrition, whereas P shows mixotrophic nutrition. Yes, good, Krishna, Asmita, Sad, very good. So these are again of your standard only, children. Q and R show holozoic heterotrophic nutrition. Q and R, paramecium and euglena. Whereas P shows mixotrophic nutrition, amoeba. S is helpful. First of all, you have to tell correct statement. S is helpful in crop growth and increased capacity of the soil. P and S use pseudopodia for feeding and locomotion. P and S use pseudopodia. In Q, cilia help in locomotion. Asmita is right. You know that even if you don't know about others, but you know very much that paramecium helps in locomotion, catching prey, while our flagella helps in locomotion. So that's all, children. You have performed great. So thank you all. And do not forget to visit on such types of questions are being daily done in 23 classes. We have package of nearly 1000 questions, assignments and tests in the crash course. Yes, in crash course. So go to Vedantu site and you will get the crash course over there. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a great day. To take the top ranks, join the crash course and also go through each and every YouTube session of last year as well as of this year. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye, children. Bye, all of you. Have a nice day. Come on, take rest and then get ready for your evening classes. Yes. Thank you. Bye bye, all of you. Thanks.